What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the shop. So, got some stash ads to show you guys, and a little bit of progress. And so this weekend, there'll be no other videos from us. We're going to take a little weekend away, heading over to Vermont. Just like I said, to get away. There is a hobby shop over there I'm going to check out, so that'll be cool. I might take some pictures. I'm not sure about video, so I'm going to say no at this point. But I am hoping to pick up a little bit of supplies that I kind of need that I thought I had. Anyway, so actually I got a little bit of progress. So I started on the sprint car. I started on this kit right here. I started this a few weeks ago, but things kind of stalled on it. I got some stuff primered, some pieces primered, other pieces painted. The chassis is together on that. Started a little bit of body work. That's where I'm kind of in a jam. The white paint I was going to use for this, I discovered was no good. So I got to get a replacement for the white paint on this. But I got the back fuel tank bodywork is glued together. This was a two-piece like cone, and I started working the seam a little bit. I still got to sand that some to get that knocked down, get it primered, and then get it painted. Let's see, the USAC Roadrunner / GTX group build, I got a little bit more done on that, not much. I started doing the trim. So I got the back window trim is done. That side window trim is done. The GTX emblem is done. I hand paint all my trim. I just don't like bare metal foil. I know it looks better, but I prefer to do it this way. It takes longer. It's more difficult, but it's just the way I like to do it. I've tried bare metal foil a couple of times, and every time I use it, I just can't get into it right now. So maybe in the future, I do have some sheets of bare metal foil that I will continue to practice with. But until I feel like I can do a good enough job, I'm going to continue to do it the way I feel comfortable, which is this way. Also, I don't remember if I showed you guys or not. That's what I did with the engine bay. I didn't want to cut this kit up. I didn't want this kit to turn into something that I wasn't going to be able to finish. Even though you would think we have plenty of time, I get pretty busy, and before I know it, you know, it's the deadline, and I have to do a bunch of work, and then it puts me under pressure, yada, yada, yada. So I didn't want to do a lot of cutting on this kit. So I basically left the bottles, just painted them. The battery, the 2-foot-tall battery, my solution for that was I cut a little slice. Let me see if I can cut a little slice. Got some sheet styrene. I used the, where did I buried it in here, of course. And again, this wouldn't be one of my videos if I was prepared. You know what I'm saying? It wouldn't feel right unless I was scrambling to find something. So this is the styrene I used. It's a 9040 plain. 40 thousandths thick, I think is what that is. Anyway, it's this one. So I used a little piece of that, and I wedged it in there, sanded the corners, painted it black. Then I painted the battery to look like an interstate battery, or what in my mind would look like an interstate battery. I still have to do the cables and the ends and all that, but I mean that's where I'm at on this. And the sprint car. Let's see. As far as stash ads go, I got a couple of things from my good buddy Tony Lancer, and I got a cool package in the mail from Mark at Hobby Nut Models. Check out that t-shirt. That is a cool t-shirt. This might be my new favorite t-shirt, actually. It's really comfortable. But anyway, so I get this t-shirt from Mark. I got this kit from Mark. This kit is destined for a good home that is not here. A very good friend of mine has wanted this kit for a very long time and has not been able to find one that was good for a decent price. This one Mark had. It was factory sealed. So I bought this for my buddy, and I know he'll appreciate it. This is destined for somebody else. That's still a really cool kit. Mark did have a second one of these that was opened but sealed inside. So if anybody's interested, Mark still has one of these in stock, as far as I know. At least he did last time I looked. So there's that. I ordered some. See, here we are, unprepared. I got a rolly chair though. Kicking cat toys out of the way. This is what I use for primer all the time. Doesn't matter whether I'm spraying testers, extreme lacquer. Doesn't matter if I'm airbrushing. Does not matter. I use Tamiya Fine Surface Primer. I got a can of that from Mark, so that's cool. And then there was a surprise in the box. There was something I did not order, but I was stoked to see. Mark sent me this. Sealed in the box, 1933 Willys van. So this is not the snap tight-ish kit that they just released in the Monopoly livery. This is the full detail, full engine kit, full interior, full big blocks, single overhead cam Ford motor with the zoomies. This is cool. This is very, very cool, and I have a feeling that this is going to end up being a Blue Ox Model Shop delivery van type of thing. That's really neat. So thank you, Mark. Thank you so much for that. That is an amazing surprise. As well as the t-shirt. I didn't even know the t-shirt was coming. That was super cool. So go check out Mark's website. I'm going to link it in the description of the video, as always. He's got a ton of stuff over there. New kits coming in, supplies. Go check him out. I'm sure there's something there that you're going to want. Now, Tony Lancer, my good buddy Tony Lancer. We, from time to time, will work trades and deals, things like that. And we worked a trade. He had something I wanted, and I had something he wanted. So we worked out a deal, and I got two really cool kits. The first one is this familiar 29 Ford Street Rod kit. This is the kit that Ruthie is currently building. Same kit. It's just it's a little bit different. It's molded. It's got some different wheels. This thing is molded in like dark gray, which is fine. I'll figure work with it. It is what it is. But that's a really cool kit, and I've never had this kit, and I've always wanted to build it. So I was very excited to get this. But I was even more excited to get this. I've been trying to get this kit from Tony for a few months, and I've never been able to actually strike a deal until now, and I'm pretty excited for this. This is the 93 Mustang Cobra, Fox body Mustang, just about the coolest thing there is. I love Fox body Mustangs. I'm not a huge Ford fan. I mean, I'm a muscle car guy. You guys know I love all muscle cars: Ford, Chrysler, Chevy, everything, AMC, like everything. But I really like the Fox body Mustangs for some reason. I don't quite know why, but I do. And I'm kind of kicking myself in the butt because I gave Ryan my notchback drag car, and there's some stuff in there that I kind of would have liked to have had for this. Oh well, I'll buy another one anyway. But this is a cool kit. This is again, this was sealed when I got it, but I had to open it up. And look at that body. That's cool. Very minimal cleanup on that. That's going to be awesome. That is going to be cool. I can't wait to build this. So, that is that. So, like I said, we're going away this weekend, so there won't be another video for me until maybe Sunday night, if I can catch some footage from this hobby shop that we go to, depending. But I am planning on doing a kit announcement for a fairly sizable group build that I've jumped into. I'm pretty sure everybody knows what it is, but I will make the official announcement, I think, Monday, on what I'm building and details about the group build. So that video is definitely coming, but it's probably not coming until Monday. Just going to get out of the shop. I'm going to spend the rest of today doing a clean up in here, because it is messy, believe it or not. I mean, yeah, I know you guys are probably like, what? How's it? But yeah, I'm going to do some cleaning up, straightening out, because we leave tomorrow right after work. So thank you for watching. Thanks for subscribing. As always, I really appreciate you guys that subscribe and watch and comment on all my videos. I can't express enough how much I appreciate that. So keep it up. I love it. If by some reason you haven't subscribed and you're seeing this video, please hit the subscription button. Drop a comment. Go back and check out some of my other videos. I'm approaching a year on YouTube, I believe. Coming up on a year. And it's been an amazing year, and I really appreciate it. Go check out Mark, Hobby Nut Models. He's got an awesome website. It's always linked in the description of every video I have. Go check out Ryan, my son, at 603 Model Works. He is a very young and very enthusiastic builder, and we need to nurture and support and push anybody that is young and wants to get into the hobby, or even if they're not young but they want to get into the hobby. We need to keep this hobby alive. That's why it's awesome to have my son, my wife, everybody involved as much as they are, and we got to, like I said, we got to push that. We got to nurture people like that, and show them how awesome this hobby is, and keep them, how do I say it? Keep them wanting to be here. I don't know if that makes sense, but it did in my head. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will talk to you guys again early next week. Have a great weekend. Bye.